My name is Bridget. I'm from Teck Secondary School. Before coming to Ace Your POA, I got an F9 for mid-year, and then in the end I got A2 for O-levels. I've actually heard a lot of good things about Ace Your POA from a friend of mine, and she was telling us that we could give it a shot because his lessons are really in depth, and he goes through everything in detail and tries to come up with acronyms which helps us to remember things easily. Yeah, so that's why in the end I decided to join Ace Your POA. After the June holiday intensive programs, I could tell from the classwork that I was doing that I could actually do the POA questions that were given in class, and I was not struggling and questioning myself, and it was honestly easier for me to adapt in class also. I remember it was during prelims, after one of our papers, he actually asked us to come down for lessons that night to help us for our O-level, to prepare us for the paper. Yeah, then after that he bought a meal for every student, and I found that very touching because a lot of times tutors, they just want to make sure that they just want to in a way earn your money and make sure that you do well because of their brand. But at Ace Your POA, Mr. Kirk truly cares about your well-being, aside from academically. I feel other tuition service providers, they usually just get questions out of workbooks, textbooks, and from different publishers. But at Ace Your POA, Mr. Kirk designs his own worksheet, and so we are exposed to a wider range of questions here, and I feel that's the distinguishing point between Ace Your POA and other tuition providers. I want to say thank you, Mr. Clark, for always helping out in my studies.